How to replace a circuit breaker.
With the hour apostle.
How to replace a trip circuit breaker is to make sure that you have the right circuit breaker to replace. So, yes, I know you need to have license or whatever, but this panel has to come off. Here, 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 and when we pull this panel off, then we have to pull this off. This, you can see it. See, this is this way. See? That lets you know that there's something wrong with this fella here. So I got a new one here. I'm gonna replace that there. Of course, this is made from Weston House, but this right here has several matching qualities, so we'll use the same thing. It cost me $28 for this. So, all right. So the main thing we have to do is turn the main power source off, and then we'll show you from there. Okay, so in order for me to get this out here, I had, well, the other one, I had to pry it open from here. See here, I had to pry it open. But we're gonna put this back in, so show you how we're gonna do this. All right, do you see? So I'm gonna have to screw this in just a little more. That was easy. All right, so this here was placed in, and now the lights are working. And so now we are going to put back this right there, and then this one goes here. I'm gonna do this one first. It's annoying, but yeah. Anyway, okay, well, hold it right there. Just enough to hold it until I get the second one down here. See? So now I got them pretty much in the right holes. Place. And the back side here, I don't know if you can see it. I'm not worrying about tightening it up right now. I just want to make sure I get all of them even in the holes. It's okay. Then screw it in. Make sure all the holes are Make sure all the holes are right before tightening them up. And always, when electric, always use rubber gloves. Still can get electrocuted, but safety for the mind. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and here. I do have a drill, but
DIY Apostle has done it again.
That's right, my friend. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. In Jesus' name.
all right. Boom! DIY Apostle did it again. All right, sorry.